Hi everybody, this is Alex, the director at the Pinckneyville Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to use the share feature on our website. This is how you request books from other libraries that are a part of the Illinois Heartland Library System. It's an interlibrary loan system, and it's really neat. So this is our website here, pinckneyvillelibrary.com. Type that in, this will come up, and you go over here to your account, and you type in either a username that you set up or your library card number, which is the long number under your barcode. And then down here you type in your PIN number, and then you click login. So it takes you here. Right now it's showing what items we have checked out, and it gives you the due date for each item. So this, you click here to look for a book you have in mind, and let's just try Harry Potter. Okay, so you see here there are a bunch of different copies that come up, a bunch of search results. See here it says video recording. This is a DVD. So if you click on this, gives you all the info on the item, and it says no items available locally, which means that the Pinckneyville Library doesn't own this copy. But you can click here to see which libraries in the system do, and you see here that Centralia Regional Library District owns it. And it looks like you can't request it because the status is lost. So go up here, go back, and go back to all these search results. Okay, so now here's a copy of the book. Click on this here. It's displaying all the info. No items available locally. This particular copy isn't in our library. You click here to see which libraries have it. See, Breeze Public Library, Casey Westfield Junior Senior High School, and it gives you the status of each copy. So it's in. Some libraries it's in. Some will say it's being checked out, and it'll give you the date that it's due back. So let me type something that I think our library should have. No, not Redial, but Redwall. Okay, so you see here where it says local availability 1 of 1. That means that our library has this book. So you click on it. The status is in. When it's checked out, it'll say, let me go back here. Instead of 1 of 1, it'll say 0 of 1 here. So let's go ahead and request it. Has all your info here, and it gives you the option of where to pick it up. So it automatically has us slated for the Pinckneyville Public Library, but you can change that if you happen to pass through a town often, and if it would make it more convenient to pick it up at another library, you can change that. And that's today's date. You click Submit Request. Your request has been placed, and you can click here to keep track of the items you've requested. So right here, it'll say pending, and then once the library receives the request, it'll say active, and then once they send it off, the status will change to shipped. So let's go back here, go to my account, or let's just go back and request a book from a different library. So let's see. Frankenstein. See all of these here. Some of these will say 0 of 0. That means we don't have it, but there is one in the system. So let's go for this here. So here it says local availability 0 of 0. We don't have that one. Let's click on it here. It's a paperback. Click here to see items from all branches. So, see, yeah, like I said, sometimes the status will say out, and it will give you the date that it's due back. So it looks like this one here is due back on the 6th. So let's request this one here. Submit request. Go to your list of hold requests. And now these are both pending. My account. These are the items we have out. So I hope this video helps, and this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.